Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing? I hope you're keeping well and staying crafty. I am coming on with another DIY iCAD 2024. This time it is day 42. I will leave the link in the description box. Today's prompt is Racetrack. So I've used another piece of Painty card for the background. And this is what I've made for Racetrack. It was a slow journey to the racetrack. So the painted paper in the background, you see it's got a shimmer, but it's on watercolour card, if I remember. Well, looking at it, it is. It's been made a long time, but looking at it, I would think it was probably, I don't know whether it was pixie powders and then I put something shimmery over the top. I really can't remember, but I was going to say either pixie powders or brushos, and then possibly something, oh, I don't know what I would have put on the top. Possibly something else on the top, because it's shimmery in parts. I know brusho isn't shimmery, the pixie powders are, but I don't know. But anyway, that was the background. I thought I really liked that background. The image is what I've generated on Bing a long time ago, way back in the beginning of the year when I first started it. I started doing, well, weird stuff. And that was it. Because they printed out on a, I think is it 3, I've got some here, let me show you. These are some others. This is, oh, why's my camera gone dark? Just a minute, let's put the light on. It just went really dark. Hope it's all right to see. Yeah, they print out on, what will that be? Well, I think it's 3 inches by 3 inches. And I just had a spell of doing loads of weird ones. I love them. I should be turning these into little cards. I've done a lot of cards. I know I've never shown them, but I've made a lot of cards, and I have sent some out, sometimes for birthday cards. A lot of you will have seen I then take it to Procreate and make the image bigger. And but anyway, those were the ones that I'd pulled out to use, and this one, I chose this one because the man was bigger and the snail was bigger. And originally I had, look at this little tree, how beautiful is that? So I obviously cut those out. What was I going to say? Don't know what I was going to say. Oh, yeah, originally I had, oh, what did I put? This was Mr. Evans and Brian the snail. Something about, oh, it was a quirky say, I can't remember exactly. And I printed it out, I coloured it in with, like, you know, this sort of colour and a greeny colour, put it down. Like, no, the words were too big and I just didn't like it, so they all went in the bin. Yes, I know I don't throw things out very often, but they did, and just made it more simple. It was a slow journey to the racetrack. Poor old Brian was gonna be late for his race. And I still think that's pretty funny, but I just really love this one. I love anything that's a bit mental and different. And that tree, wouldn't it be great if trees were like that in real life? But yes, so that is, what did I say, day 42? Yes, 42. And it's not picking the colours up properly. It's just gone really dark and it's raining. That's better, not got the shine on now. Shine of the light. And then I just went round the edge with ground espresso again. So I really love that one. Ah dear. Right, thank you ever so much for watching. By the time you see this one, which will be later in the week to what I'm recording now, today is Sunday, so this will be, I don't know, whenever day 42 is, I can't work it out at the minute, but later in the week, by the time you see this one, I hope to have next week's prompts up. Well, not up, but available to me. But I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Okay, thank you very much. Take care, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.